How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my build that I have just started. It was an older build that I worked on a long time ago, and I threw it back in the box and didn't finish it because I had problems with the body and paint. And I seen a video, old Mr. BG, old Brian, he had showed where he had bought this kit. And I told him that, well, I got several of those kits, you know, and he says, yeah. I said I started on one and I threw it back in the box. That's, you know, I got some work done on it, but not a lot, just the engine and some parts like that, you know. And he goes, well, I double dog dare you to build it. So this is my double dog dare build, and this is what it is. It is the Tamiya Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR hardtop, probably about a 71. Hey, that's the year I was born. Alright. But this is what I'll be building right here, guys. I've got quite a bit of stuff done already, and I'll turn it around here and show you what I've gotten done so far. I'll probably have it buttoned up here in a couple of days when I get a chance. It's getting close to completion. I'll still have to chrome full the body and put a clear coat on it, paint the headliner up there, but as far as the rest of it, it's pretty much ready to go, you know, as far as being painted. But I'll shut up here in a second and I'll turn around and show you what I got going on. But before I do, like always, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, it's free. And you know, all you guys out there that build models, if you ain't got a channel, it's not hard to make one. I always like to put that out there, you know. I do it right there from my phone, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to shut up, turn this thing around, and show you what I got going on. Well, alright, let me show you guys what I've got going on here. There is the body. I got the spoiler glued on. Got it painted. You can see there, that's Inca Gold, what color I painted that. Everybody does them silver, white, and red. I think those are pretty much the standard colors for them. I decided I'm going to go gold with it. Here are the stock wheels. As you can see, these wheels, I have drilled out all the holes. You can see through it. You can see my hand through it. This is Tamiya kit, and all them holes, these are the wheels that come with it, and all the holes have a back to them. So I drilled every one of them out. That was tedious. It took me a while to do that. And then I spray painted them a semi-gloss black. And then I chromed the lug nuts, and then the little center caps I got over here, they are painted flat black. They were a little rubber center cap. You can see them right there. Then I will glue those on there. That's where those will go. Let's see, the grill, all I've gotten done so far is the black wash on the grill. I haven't got nothing else done as far as that goes. Of course, here's the engine. The engine's wired. Got the carburetors done here. That will go on there like this. Right there like that. Painted the rear end and front sway bar and steering linkage. Let's see, guys. Let's see, what else did I do here? Okay, I did the springs. You can see I done a red spring. front struts with the red springs. This will be my disc brakes with the red calipers on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. You should be able to see them through there once, of course, this lighting's not good. Yeah, you'll be able to see them through there. That's the whole idea of that. And I've got my interior done. You can see right here I got the dash. The dash done. As you can see in there. The dash is done. The wood grain, I got the dials in there, and then I put clear glue over the dials. That way it look like glass. I put the photo etch seat belt. I put the carpet, instead of black carpet, I put this charcoal color carpet in there on the inside and out, right here in the parcel tray. And then I painted the inside the seats. I painted on my flat black, so that's kind of a semi-gloss with the flat black, kind of give it a little bit. And then the door cards are the same way. Right there in the pleats in the door, in the flat black, you can see the interior a little bit better right there. And then I did the red seat belts and stuff for the pop. Just give it, because, you know, just a solid black interior, it needs something. So the gray carpet, the flat black in the seats, and then the get this camera to focus. And the red seat belts. Here's the underneath. This will be your engine bay compartment. You'll see here how this will all go up in there like that. How good that'll look. Well, guys, that's really all I've gotten done so far. Just a little bit of painting on that, a little bit of weathering on it. That's it. That's what I've got going on so far. Like I said, I get the chrome foil around the windows, get this thing clear coated, probably do a black wash in the door lines and stuff like that, and put all the scripts on it and all that stuff. Yeah, I think the tail lights, I still need to paint the tail lights, little marker lens lights, stuff like that. But other than that, that's it. This is my Double Dog Dare build. Like I said, it was a build I'd worked on, put it up, and BG twisted my arm to get it back out and get it built. So here it is. Like I said, the next video of this thing, it'll be done. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.